Stop a crack from spreading on your windshield. It is inevitable to have a crack on your windshield at some point in time. It is uncertain what really causes the crack to a windshield because factors leading to it vary. It could be that you have been using your car for quite some time already and the windshield just gave in to the elements. Accidental hitting of your windshield is another probable cause. A crack on your windshield may mean either two things: replace the windshield or stop the crack from spreading. If the crack does not hamper your vision while driving, the latter is a better option. But how it is done, you may ask. Here are tips to help you stop a crack from spreading on your windshield. Determine if the crack is within or beyond repair. You can gauge with the size and depth of the crack if is manageable. If it is almost half an inch wide and almost 1 foot long and the crack has been there for more than a month, replace the windshield with a new one. Seek help from an expert glass repairman. If you take your car to a glass expert, he might be able to remedy the crack and prevent it from getting larger. Many glass repair shops have tools to check the cracked area. They have a method of making the crack look smaller and contain the damaged area in the same spot, thus preventing it from spreading. Find a repair shop with low asking price. There are many glass repair shops around in any state, so you can compare prices and find the one with the cheapest price. However, make sure the quality of service is not sacrificed. Try to compare the cost it will entail you to have it repaired as against a replacement. If there is not much difference, you can just have it replaced with a brand new one. Have the crack immediately repaired. Do not wait for many days before bringing your car for repair. Beyond 30 days, the crack may not be repaired anymore and it could also spread at this point already, and so you will be compelled to buy a new one. Use home remedies to prevent the crack from spreading. If the crack is relatively small, place super glue on the dent and spread it in and out. This trick will allow the cracked part to hold together, thereby preventing it from getting bigger. However, this method is just a first aid solution, as you still need to have the glass repaired by an expert. Apply several coats of nail polish, clear, on the crack. Do this on both sides, inside and outside, of the glass. Pay particular attention to the sides of the crack because this is the part where it will spread onto the rest of the windshield. Park your car in a shaded place. With outdoor elements, sun, snow, wind, and rain, the crack will likely become bigger due to change in temperature. Besides the sun, Wind and rain have force that can put pressure on the glass, and may thus cause the crack to widen. On the other hand, extreme temperature from snowy weather will make the glass brittle. Purchase a glass repair kit from a local car shop. You may use this temporarily while waiting for the right time you can bring the car to the repair shop. Be reminded that repair costs for windshield cracks or windshield replacement may not be drawn against insurance claims. The expenses are your burden. Therefore, be ready with contingency budget in case you encounter such problem.